Our new shower offer focuses on great quality with great finishes and materials. All showers come with sustainable functions that save resources for our customers and the environment. We show it by offering a 10-year guarantee. Going back to our sustainability focus, all showers have a water-saving function, from our low price shower to our medium price offer. Have a flow regulator. The flow regulator reduces the flow of water, allowing up to 50% energy saving. Only contain low lead brass, 0.2%, and have a separate waterway for water safety. If drinking water comes in, then drinking water comes out. Based on our knowledge about life at home and with a focus on living with children, we have ensured all shower mixers come with built-in thermostats for safety and convenience, with an anti-scald function, so the shower mixer is cool to the touch and little ones will not burn their hands, with a shelf where you can place your bath products or the hand shower while you're showering. Our showers come with an adjustable shower basket that has a universal fitting for most shower rails. This is a perfect accessory to keep your bath products within easy reach. These details are designed to help you and your family enjoy life's daily activities in your dream bathroom.